Here in the Netherlands, in the city of Arnhem, Accsys combines chemistry, technology and ingenuity to create Accoya wood. Accsys enhances one of the world's oldest, best and most versatile building materials, wood, into something even better. Durable, sustainable and with incredibly high performance, Accoya is in high demand. And Accsys is working hard to produce much more of it through its global expansion plans. Accsys is therefore pleased to introduce a fourth reactor at Arnhem that will increase Accoya production capacity by 33% over the coming months.
To produce Accoya, we first take natural, sustainably grown softwood, a great natural material, but not very stable, long-lasting or high performance for many uses. Through our combination of advanced chemistry, technology and our unique process, each of our acetylation reactors transforms a batch of this wood into Accoya, an ultra-high performance, sustainable wood product for the built environment. The engineering and technology behind each reactor is complex, but we've integrated Reactor 4 neatly into our facility here and built and commissioned the supporting infrastructure, process engineering and material storage and handling to support it, including our new high-tech and high-speed automated wood stacker.
Accoya is used by many people all over the world, and demand is both high and growing for more of it. Expanding our plant and ramping up sales in the coming months means more Accoya is available for our distributors. It also means more Accoya for the manufacturers using it to create windows, doors, cladding and decking products. And for the architects, building owners that wants to specify it. We have also developed our capabilities to support safe and rapid handling and the logistics of the increased volume. In addition, we have introduced new quality monitoring and assurance technology with cameras, infrared scattering and X-rays to examine every board to make sure that all our customers can be delighted with our products.
Reactor 4 is now officially open for business. Through dedicated effort and hard work, we're delighted to deliver this great step forward on our global growth strategy, bringing more Accoya into the world each year. I want to thank all our colleagues here who have made this possible. Let's not forget how remarkable an achievement this is. The project has been completed during the global COVID pandemic. The team has successfully and safely navigated working practice restrictions and adhered to regulatory guidelines and laws during this extraordinary time. Thank you all. I'd also like to thank all our Accoya customers and manufacturers for their support and patience on this journey. Together, we really are changing wood to change the world, and we're very excited to be doing this. Thank you.